me a second. I'm in tears. You did wonderful. Like, it's crazy. Like, my mom and dad, like, they just know me as Darren Jr., you know, as, you know, just, they birthed me, shit. And boom, now I'm just here now, you feel what I'm saying? So it's lit. It's a blessing, bro. It's a blessing, man. Thank God, bro. You feel what I'm saying? And I did my work. Hard work pays off, bro. You feel me? I did my work and I worked. I grind, bro. Didn't give up. Life can take you so many places. Life is like a baseball bat. You're the ball. That one ball can hit that bat, can take you somewhere else. Can take you somewhere. Just that one ball.